just start my day here. Today's Saturday. I don't know, just trying to find something to do, you know, like we just had lunch in Shanghai at the Shichija, place that we like. But yeah, and then probably later drink a coffee. And then, I don't know, let's see, because today at 6 o'clock I'm going to my friend's house, Jeff. He will prepare like a dinner for us, and my friend Brian will go there and make some videos, because he has a YouTube channel as well that he posts videos about food and stuff, and it's pretty good. So he goes to the people's house and make video, and people teaching how to cook or how to make a meal. That's the idea of Brian's channel. But yeah, now we are going to 7-Eleven here, get a coffee, and then later, no plans. Just leaving now Brian's house. He got his camera, and now we're going to Jeff's house to make the video. We were at LP like skate place here where we skate here in Shanghai. And yeah, let's go. Still waiting for the food. Now it's already 8:21 and we still didn't get the food. The guys are cooking inside. Brian just finished here. How was the result of the video?
So far so good.
Just arrived at home. The day was great. A lot of things I did after the whole day outside. Finally back home, just like living now. It was great, you know, like just have food at my friend's house. It was amazing meal, like pig knuckle and some like lasagna. It was pretty good, you know. But yeah, finally just make home. And tomorrow is Sunday, so just chill and stay with Xiaobo for a while. And yeah, that's it. That's it, you know, like that's life in Shanghai. That's what I'm doing recently here, and I'm enjoying pretty much, you know, like almost my birthday, so I need to start to plan something for that. March 30 I will be 30, so yeah, back home, and see you guys soon. Peace and love, and boom.